Very good. Chips, biscuits, and Miller's Hard Tack. And there's a famous scene in the Battleship Potemkin. Remember, I think you've ever seen the Great Frozen Stone. That's going to be an answer to a lot of questions. So, the Potemkin was a ship in which there was a mutiny, and there's a scene there cracking open a ship's biscuit and the maggots. It's really horrible. And this is a British biscuit.